Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge Ford Fusion AC, easy method. Start by locating the low pressure service port near the accumulator or compressor and remove the cap carefully. Wear gloves and eye protection, then attach the gauge to the low side following manufacturer guidance. Check existing pressure readings at ambient temperature and only proceed if pressures indicate low refrigerant according to typical automotive ranges. Warm the vehicle by running the engine briefly to circulate oil and equalize temperatures, then turn off the engine to attach gauges safely. Hook up the manifold gauge, set to the low side, and ensure tight connections to prevent air ingress. Note pressure readings and listen for hissing that signals a leak, and confirm the system truly needs refrigerant before starting the recharge process to avoid overcharging. In this video, I will explain how to recharge Ford Fusion AC, easy method. Quick recommendation: while you wait for the system to stabilize, grab a snack and consider those leak-proof meal prep containers I mentioned. They keep lunches tidy during long DIY jobs. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and like, then check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start the engine and set the climate control to maximum cool with blower on high, then open the valve slowly to add refrigerant in controlled bursts while watching the gauge. Pause frequently to allow pressures to stabilize and check for instant cooling improvement inside the cabin. Stop adding refrigerant when low side pressure reaches the target range and cabin air feels noticeably colder to prevent overfilling or compressor stress.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.